Many 2025 model vehicles display a flashing TPMS warning light right after a routine tire rotation. To fix this TPMS error, you need to initiate the manual relearn procedure through the dashboard menu and drive at a steady 30 miles per hour for at least 10 minutes. This process allows the main computer to recognize the new wheel positions. When you rotate tires from front to back, the sensors physically move to new locations. Modern vehicles do not automatically detect this change right away. The receiver unit still expects the original signal pattern from the original wheel corners. This mismatch triggers a communication fault code in the tire pressure system. Most 2025 domestic SUVs and trucks have a built-in recalibration tool located in the settings menu. You navigate to the vehicle information screen and hold the OK button until the horn chirps twice. This puts the vehicle into training mode. You will then need to use an activation tool on each valve stem starting from the front driver side. If you do not have a scanning tool, the driving method is your best option. Ensure all 4 tires are inflated exactly to the pressure listed on your driver's side door jam sticker. Find a long stretch of highway where you can maintain a constant speed without heavy braking. The sensors will ping the control module and update their specific corner locations. Ignoring this warning leaves you vulnerable to a real flat tire emergency. A system stuck in error mode completely disables the low-pressure alerts. Once the dashboard light goes solid and turns off, your TPMS system is fully reset and monitoring your tires accurately.